Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Transformers open-ear headphones by Zombie's Cat. These Bluetooth 5.4 wireless earbuds promise comfort, safety, and versatility for both gamers and active lifestyles. So, if you're someone who loves high-quality audio and a multifunctional design, stay tuned to see if these headphones are right for you. First, let's talk comfort and design. These headphones feature an open-ear design with ergonomic earbuds, ensuring extended wear without feeling enclosed. The breathable build reduces discomfort, making them perfect for long gaming sessions or all-day activities. Plus, you get ear hooks for a secure fit, ideal for sports or running. Safety and spatial awareness are key benefits here. Because of the open-ear design, ambient sounds are transmitted to keep you aware of your surroundings. Whether you're jogging or commuting, you can detect potential hazards without removing your headphones. This is a game changer for personal safety and adds convenience when having conversations without interruption. Moving on to functionality, these headphones shine with their dual-mode design for music and gaming. Switching between modes optimizes the experience for clear music playback or enhanced gaming audio. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.4, you get dual-channel transmission that boasts a 200% faster speed, 50% better stability, and ultra-low latency at 50 milliseconds. This ensures a seamless, lag-free experience on both Android and iOS. Lastly, battery life is impressive. A quick 10-minute charge gives you 2 hours of playback, while a full charge lasts 5 to 6 hours. With the 300 mAh charging case, total playback extends up to 60 hours. The Type-C fast charging makes it easy to power up in just 1.5 hours. So whether you're running, working, or gaming, these earbuds are built to keep up. Thanks for watching our review of the Transformers open-ear headphones by Zombie's Cat. They pack a lot of features, from their ergonomic open-ear design to low-latency Bluetooth and long-lasting battery life. What do you think? Are they the right fit for your lifestyle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.